is WhatsApp tips and tricks you will find in this video in Android Yet channel. So first trick is pin or stick important messages. I want to pin this voice, so I just select it, and from three dots I choose how long your pin message will last. So I would choose 24 hours. Another, this message, I want to pin it for 7 days and pin. And if you tap on the pinned messages, it will go to that message that you pinned. And another trick is send or one-time voice message. How? I just select or tap on that one time, and the receiver will listen to the voice only one time, and then it will disappear. The third trick is hide your last scene. It's so easy. Just go to your settings and go to privacy, and then last scene, just make it nobody. And don't forget to choose the second option also, same as last scene, so nobody can see when you in or when you out or online or outline. Don't show what are your messages. Just go to your WhatsApp notifications and make sure to show preview. This icon, just disable it. Once you disable it, no one can see your texts or messages from up there. And ta-da! Everything is done. I'd like to have your support by like and subscribe.